All right, perfect. So once again, thank you for joining the call. And let me just get started with the agenda for today. So we will just quickly look into what is Wisdom QA is all about my experience, and then we will go through a round of introduction, about each other. I will really, appreciate if you guys can come on camera and then introduce yourself. And there are a few questions I will ask you for you to introduce yourself, and then we will go to the next part of the course, not course, but the class today. So what is Wisdom QA, guys? We have, this is not the updated one. I have basically in this industry for like 15 years now, trained more than 1,700 students so far. And basically, I help people to design, not only people, but I help organizations to design test automation frameworks from ground up. So when I say test automation framework, it is just not the web application. I teach people how to write frameworks for backend web services, for mobile applications, so on and so forth, right? And different level of framework, different kind of frameworks, which you will be learning in this entire process. Many of you guys have no coding experience, and I understand that, which is why this training is basically getting started with like total zero. You don't need to know anything. It's me who will take care of you to bring you from ground up, from the zero level to an advanced test automation engineer. That is my responsibility. Okay, so what is our mission? My mission is basically to create a skilled workforce for test automation. Okay, by 2020, maybe 5, I want to train another 500 people. I have trained so far with my company own. I have trained so far like 70 people. Long way to go. I have to improve my business. I have to probably hire a few more trainers like me, who will be as dedicated and passionate like I am. And that's how I can probably improve my training. I can probably reach out to more people. And by 2025, I want to train another maybe 400 people. That's my motive. So I strongly believe that coding is for everyone. You probably have got a, just give me 1 minute, just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. My son is trying to talk. Just give me 1 second. Listen. Full panic. Okay. Go. Sorry about that. He's asking me whether he can go out and play with his friends anyway. So what I was saying is I believe that software development, or writing a piece of code, is not a rocket science. It's just that probably in earlier times, when you were introduced to it, you were not introduced in the right fashion, which is why probably you didn't feel that knack to hold on to it. So the idea is that I'm going to show you a step-by-step process, which will make this whole journey much more easier to follow. I will not be giving everything to you at once. I have broken down this training into smaller chunk, and those chunk will be introduced to you when it is required. Okay, so when we will be building test automation frameworks, I will not be talking directly about framework, but I will be building a lot of like foundation before it, and then slowly I will introduce a lot of Java programming concepts, and then take you from there. That's my all motive. So what I was saying is that I believe everybody can code. It's just that you need to be a little bit patient with the training. And when you face the roadblock, you will obviously face the roadblock. You are supposed to reach out to me with questions, okay? And do not keep it to yourself. Share it, just not with me, but with the team, like all the people over here, so that everybody can learn from each other. That's the whole motive. Like, for my all the other batches, they are very close to each other. They have got that relationship built. They talk to each other. They try to help each other, and then they come to me to get a solution. That's how things are happening for other batches. You have seen the amount of the success rates. Out of 70 people, I was able to get 58 of them in test automation job, right? I mean, they were absolutely novice. They had no experience in programming whatsoever, right? So still, they are right now working in multinational companies. They're building this framework from scratch, and that's how it is happening, right? So let's move on to the next slide. Let's start with the introduction. So I just told you what I am into. I'm right now working with Citibank, as you guys know, but along with my 9-to-5 job, I help you guys to get the right set of skills so that you can see beyond manual testing. I mean, I strongly believe that if you're in IT and you're keeping yourself away from scripting, you are missing out on a huge opportunity, and I don't want you to do that. I want you to get into that game and stick with it for at least 2-3 years, where you get that experience. And after 3 years, then you can sit back and kind of try to understand where do you want to go from there. Probably you want to learn DevOps or maybe machine learning. Anything you can think of, right? It needs scripting. You have to put your hands into scripting. There is no escape. If you want to shine in IT, if you want to stay in technical ground, if you want to see that you have a demand in the market, you need to learn scripting, period. So let's move on to your introduction, guys. As I said, I will call out your name in the order that I see in Zoom. And I would prefer that if you can come on camera and basically give me an answer to all this question. I need your name, your location, what are you doing currently? Manual testing jobs are getting obsolete. What do you think about it? Do you realize the urgency of getting trained into test automation? Do you realize learning any new tools requires effort? It is not a magic pill. You need to put in the time that is needed. Every week I'm expecting my students to put in at least 10 to 15 hours with my videos and my assignments. Without that time, I will not be able to help. I'm telling you on day one, I will not be able to help if you are not proactive, if you're not coming up, if you're not stepping up for yourself. I cannot help. As simple as that. Okay. And as I said, 10 to 20 hours per week is what I am expecting from your side. Are you ready to commit that? Okay. Ren, that's fine. No problem at all. Probably I'll take your introduction next week. I understand you have a sore throat. That's totally fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Anyway, so let's get started with Maggie. Maggie, do you want to introduce yourself, please?
Yeah. Hi guys. My name is Maggie, and I'm working in Dublin, and I've been in testing for the last 5.5 years. And yeah, I do realize the automation testing is currently, as a more power when compared to the manual testing. And yeah, I tried to put some hours on weekly basis to learn more about it. And that's all from me.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the introduction. All right, let's move on to Paulina. I'm sorry, I didn't get that name. Paulina, you're...
Hi.
Annie.
It's Paulina, but actually I'm Joanna.
Yeah, exactly.
I know we spoke last time and I said that I'm going to change that, but actually I changed that now, the name. This is my daughter's name.
Yeah,
She's
exactly.
using Zoom, but probably I will have to leave the call and then come back and it will pick it up.
That's fine,
so
no problem.
So for next meeting will be Joanna. But yeah, my name is Joanna.
Yeah.
I'm located in Dublin. I have been a tester for 4 years, but I left the company where I was as a tester in 2019, in the middle of the year. for life-work balance. I was kind of wanted to spend more time with my kids and with my family because I was quite busy. The place where I used to work, very, very intense. But I'm ready now to go back to work, and I start looking for the job. And I see it, like you mentioned, the automation is very important. And now mostly jobs are very focused on automation, or like, mix skills, manual and automation. So I want to upskill and get that knowledge of, that it will be easier for me to get into that. And also, I assume it's very interesting. I read lots of articles, about automation. So I would like to learn more. I did a Java Oracle course last summer. So, but I just did it and I didn't have a chance actually to utilize. I just did it and that's it. So I would like to put that into some kind of, in use. So that plus I'm really looking forward to learn all the tools. And like you said, it's I'm ready to get this 10, 20 hours per week. It looks very intensive and, hard work. Something went wrong. Hopefully I will be able to get through your intensive course, but I'm looking forward to learn new things.
Perfect. Thank you so much for the introduction, Joanna. I'll go to Radhika. Hi, Radhika.
Hi, I'm Radhika and I currently live in Wexford, Ireland. And actually, I'm so sorry for not switching on my camera because I'm so sorry for that. And
that's fine, no problem. That's okay.
Yeah. I have worked as assistant professor back in India till May 2021, and I have master's in computer science. To say about testing, I don't know anything about testing, but I realized that there are plenty of opportunities in Ireland in testing. So I came forward to learn testing, and I look forward for a good testing career in Ireland, and I'm very passionate about IT sector and the jobs in IT.
Yeah.
And I surely admit that I can work more intense than 10 to 20 hours per week. And
very good.
Yeah, I admit that, and I look forward for the training. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Radhika. No problem at all.
Thank you.
Perfect. I'll go to Rob. Hey, Rob, can you come online, please?
Yeah, hi. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, man. Thank you. Finally, we meet, man. I spoke to you almost a month back, I suppose, right?
Yeah.
Good.
So my name's Robert. Right now, I'm just started a contract job as a manual tester. I took a course for manual testing last year, and the job hunt was difficult. And I could already tell that the market is integrating by just the job search when I was on LinkedIn, that they're kind of putting in both. And I'm ready to put in the hours for it, the 10 to 15.
Absolutely.
And right now, I feel that I could do it because I don't feel overly pressured, and I don't feel like it's just gonna sound weird, but when I'm doing manual testing, I don't feel like I'm really contributing.
True. I totally feel that, man. I totally feel that. You are getting in a job where you just keep on performing like a machine over and over and over again, and you're not really getting, I mean, not really about contributing to the company, but also contributing to your own career. I don't think that is really happening. The strategy for testing, it has to change. It is changing. The manual testing approach is not going to fetch the CI/CD model, continuous integration, continuous deployment. That kind of a model, agile model, is not something that can be achieved with a normal manual testing, just manual testing,
Right.
So yeah.
And I just want to end off with when it comes to programming, I've always wanted to learn how to code. I was just always scared. So
I understand.
when I heard about your approach, I was more than excited. So that's kind of why I jumped into this.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much. Robert, you are from US, right? And
Yes.
in US, and
Yeah.
you in US, how is the job market? Because I have a few people here from US as well. So just
Yeah,
wanted to know.
I'm in Brooklyn, New York City.
Yeah.
And it's a lot. There's a lot of companies every day. I go on LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and Indeed, and I see job postings every day, and they're always looking for automation. Like that's the highest thing, and they're looking to get you immediately. So
Right.
the job market here is really good. The pay is really good. When I saw one like the other day, just for example, they were looking for a company here. They were minimum was 120 to 180K.
I know.
Here. So,
I know. It is basically as good as a software developer.
Yeah.
As good as it, you know?
Yeah.
So perfect. Thank you so much. I'll go to Sahid, even he's from US. Sahid, can you come online, please? Sahid, can you hear me?
Okay, so can you hear me now?
I do hear you.
Hi,
Sahid.
hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Guys. So my name is MD Abdul Shahid, and I'm based in New York. So in Bronx, Rob is living in Brooklyn, right? So we are not that much far.
That's great. So you see how
Okay.
connection builds up, you know. My
Okay.
students coming from UK, they like get in touch with each other. So yeah, that's really awesome.
Okay.
Please carry on.
Yeah, so I work for Canadian National Railroad. So I started since 2017 as a manual tester. And last year, December, my contract is ended. So I worked like 4.5 years as a manual. So while I was working in manual, actually, I learned a lot about my project, but I did not have any improvement, like automation, nothing. Because as soon as my contract is ended, and when I went to the job market, now the job market is fully changed. It's in back in days, like 4 years and 5 years back, like majority of the company, they're hiring only the manual, but nowadays everything is changed. Like even though if you are apply for manual, it's still the need for automation.
True.
So that's why I reached to you, and you also reached to me, and we have a conversation, right? Yeah. And I'm really, I mean, I always like to learn, you know, the coding, but I did not have any coding knowledge at all.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
And as far as you say, it's like spend 10-20 hours per week. So I mean, I'm committed. Definitely, I will spend. And other thing I want to say, like in US, the job market is huge. If we, like, you know, yesterday I did somehow there is one interview has been scheduled yesterday. I did, and it was 100% remote, and it's like $60-70 per hour. So I don't know what the result will come out, but it's still the need for automation. They asked me some question, but somehow I, you know, the overcome it.
Yeah.
But in the US, I mean, as Rob says, like the market is huge. Even though it's manual, they're getting 80, 90, 95, even the 100.
Yeah.
But if I have automation and full skill, definitely more than 120, 130.
I know.
It's a huge market. That's all about for today.
Thank you. Thank you. We'll keep it.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you so much. All right, I'll go to Tolu. Hi, Tolu. Did he come online? Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
I can
hear you.
Okay,
can you hear me now?
I do.
Good,
yes.
good. Yeah, my name is Augustine Tolu Wezim. Tolu is my native name, so a lot of people prefer to call me on that. Currently, I'm running my own business. I've been a broker for quite a long time, and you know, the coronavirus made things worse. So I was looking for other opportunities. And a friend of mine in Ireland that did something about networking.
Yeah.
Now encouraged me to go and do something about automation testing, because he himself, despite he did what you call it, the networking, is planning on going to, the automation testing route.
Okay.
So, and that's how I did a little bit of research, read, and something I see that I could do. But in terms of experience, I do not have, because I do not have, but I know I'm a kind of person that is very competitive, and I'm willing to learn. In regards to the hours, that's can never be a problem for me. I enjoy reading. I enjoy, whenever I spend time on my own, it's all about reading. So meanwhile, I'm reside here in South Africa. So apparently, I can see in the group, it seems I'm the only one from Africa, isn't it?
Yeah, there's a guy, Rob is from Africa.
Oh, Rob is from Africa. No,
I think
okay.
so. I think so. I don't know.
No, residing. I mean,
not
Africa.
residing. No, not residing anymore.
Yeah. So
yeah.
So that is all. But I think it's something I could do. My back days while I was young, I've always been a science student.
Okay.
Yeah, I did physics 3 years. These economics, statistics 4 years.
Okay.
And last year I tried to take something on a computer, in fact, IT stroke business, from Applied University of in Germany, thereabout. Yeah, but I did it for a while, and as soon as I come close to this, I said, no, let me pause that, because that one is going to take me 3 years. But this one, based on the 16 weeks course, I know once this is done, I could get a job, then I can go back. So that's little about me. I see.
Thank you so much. And if you remember, just give me 1 minute. Somebody's joining Google Meet. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Hi, Mirabel. I think you're joining the wrong location. That's not the Google Meet. You have to join the Zoom call, please. Mirabel, can you hear me? She can't hear me. Hi, Mirabel, can you hear me? Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, that's fine, no problem at all. Can you join the Zoom link? There is a Zoom link in your calendar. Can you click on that and come to the Zoom, please? Sure, thank you so much. Okay. Perfect. So yeah, and I remember, Tolu, that we did some quick research in your South African market about test automation, and we saw that there are opportunities as well.
Yeah, there are a lot of opportunities, but I'm so shocked in terms of the pay, in somewhere like in the US. Compared to South Africa, the gap is just enormous. Because here in South Africa,
I know. In US, in Western countries, you are going to get a good money for test automation. I mean, a very good money. In US and in New York, things are even better. But because I believe that the cost of living in New York is also high. It's not going to be a low cost of living, So I think from that perspective also, they are much well paid. Hey Mirabel, thank you for joining the session. We are just going through a round of introduction. I just got started like 20-30 minutes back, and I'm just I have some questions for everybody on the screen, as you can see, and the people are introducing each other, and then I will basically get started to show you how the course will run. All right.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, I'll just go to Yuri. Hi, Yuri. By the way, guys, Yuri is from Ukraine. He's from Ukraine. He lives in the US. And the day I spoke to him, I was very sorry for whatever is happening in his country. So, Yuri, can you please come online and introduce yourself? Yuri, can you hear me? Hi, Yuri, can you hear me? Yeah, please unmute if you are trying to talk. You need to unmute.
I'm sorry. Yes,
Yeah.
you hear me?
I can hear you now. Thank you
Good.
so much. Yes.
My name is Yuri. Sorry, I do not connected my camera, only microphone.
That's fine.
For this
No
time.
problem. That's fine.
My name is Yuri. I'm from Ukraine, from West Ukraine. And in US, I'm almost 16 years. I'm living in Georgia, US. Okay. And now I'm not working in IT area. I'm working in different, absolutely technician position. But before I'm working in almost 1 year in IT, I would like back to my IT professional level and grow up. Yeah. And grow up and learning new skills, making new skills for the automation, because manual testing now in US, it's minimum proposal for job, but automation a lot. Yeah. And today I listened to a gentleman from New York, but New York, it's a big city and a little bit different level of payment, salary. And Georgia a little bit low, is not same in New York, but okay. Payment. Okay. Yeah. And has a many proposal too, but only not manual, only automation. Because I'm here, I would like learn. And after that, has a good job. And perfect. Excited. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Yuri. And finally, I have Mirabel. Mirabel, can you just come online and probably just talk about yourself? Like, where are you from? What are you doing currently? And what do you think about manual testing career? Do you see that there is urgency in upgrading yourself? And are you ready to commit 10 to 20 hours per week in the training? In your self-training, as well as the live classes that you will have every week. Can you come online? Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Perfect. Go
on. I don't know. Do you hear me?
I do hear you well. I do hear you well. I hope you have joined from laptop, not your phone. Did you join from laptop or phone?
Let me join from my laptop.
Yes, please, because none of the training guys, none of the classes, none of the live classes, please ever don't join from laptop. I mean, from mobile. Always join from your laptop so that, you know, if you have a problem, I can take the control of your system and I can solve it for you right on there. Yeah. So please join from laptop always. And also the audio connection will be better. You will be able to see me. You'll be able to see the screen better. So that is required. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Also, my plan is today to help you to set up your system with some tools and show you how to use the Wisdom QA application so that, you know, you guys can really navigate to it and look into all the assignments and questions and videos, all the stuff, right? So please just, if you're not joined from laptop, then please go and do it. Okay, I see Mirabel coming back.
Oh, okay.
I can hear you much better now. Thank you.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Okay. My name is Mirabel Amabo. I live in Germany.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I decided to join the course because in the past I've had a training in manual testing and I did work with that, but later on I realized, not even later on, but I did realize that I'm still lacking really, really very much because there is big, huge gap between the manual testing and automation. And the market is really stiff because where I live right now, I've been trying to get a job. And yeah, many people have been trying to, I've done a lot of interviews, and a lot of recruiters do need automation testing, and the market here in Germany is really, really high for automation testing. So yeah, I saw that there is just the best. It will be very, very difficult. So to do automation testing will kind of put me at the top of the market with the skills. Yeah, not just staying with manual testing, because it will be very, very, very stiff. And also, there is something with the pay package. It's like light and darkness with manual testing and automation testing. So
that is right.
yes, I do think automation testing, if somebody is not even in the testing field and wants to join, so it's better for the person to strive
Absolutely.
last, yeah, for the highest, being
Absolutely.
an automation tester. So it is the ideal.
Yeah. Do you guys realize that why automation testing is in such a huge demand? The point is that a developer, a software developer, can also learn whatever I'm teaching you, and they will be able to do the similar stuff. But the problem is that developer is lacking the skill of a tester. They don't know how to test an application. Okay. At the same time, there are much, I mean, there's a very slim chance that a software developer will ever come to testing. On the other hand, the manual testers are there. They know how to test the application, but they don't know how to test the application efficiently because they don't know what is scripting. Now, this is the reason, this is the situation that you, me, everybody is right now in. All the manual testers that they have ever worked, they need to get trained to become a test automation engineer, but they can work as a quality engineer. Okay, and as soon as you bridge that gap, your package is as good as a software developer, because you are doing nothing less than what a developer is doing. You will learn when you start getting into the actual job. You will learn that how similar it is to software development. You have to build a software to test another software. That is what you will be doing actually. So it is very important for you to really, understand that and, get focused. So Mirabel, thanks for the introduction. I think only Ren is left out, but he's having the sore throat. So I will talk to him, or maybe he will introduce next week. Totally fine. Thank you so much, guys, for the introduction. I have opened up the Slack channel. I showed you. I will show it to you again later on. Please keep in touch with each other. Try to help each other. If you guys are from same location, probably go for a meetup, go for a drink. I don't know, but try to be in touch and try to learn from each other's mistake. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show up in the introduction, and let's maybe move on to the next part. So who is this course for? This course is basically for all these different 5 target markets. And if you actually look into it, I think I have functional tester. I don't have a manager. I don't have a test automation engineer, but student with career break. I have mostly today in the session, or for in this batch, I have the second and the fourth, fifth, type of people right now working with me. So the expectation is that to learn various QE tools and technologies in order to make a switch into automation. That is the reason why you are here, okay? And for students who are with career break, they're basically coming to learn the test automation tools, language concepts, and they can restart their career in IT. So I know there are a few of them here in the batch who falls under this last category. So let's move on to the next one. Next slide. Salary, this is an old salary sheet, and especially based on Ireland. It has modified, it has gone much higher. My students are right now getting salary as a automation engineer, anything between 60 plus in Dublin, anything between 60 plus to 70 in Dublin. So per annum, right? So yeah, that's that. Now I will talk about my teaching approach. I have also spoken to you about my teaching approach in the live call that I had with you earlier. I will make it one more time clear. Please focus and understand how it is done. Every week, I'm going to release 3 videos plus 20 assignments. You see, I'm going to, okay, enabling students with recorded lectures, assignments, assessments, and learning materials. This will be done every week, okay? 3 videos plus assignments, assessment, and learning materials. You have to watch it. You have to try to complete the assignments. When you're trying to complete the assignments, if you feel stuck, if you see that there is a roadblock, don't panic. You can reach out to my Slack channel, okay? The Slack channel is monitored not only by me. I have hired few other guys who will be looking into the Slack channel, and they will be responding you back with your answers, okay? If your problem is not solved, during the week, you can book a live call with me, okay? And then I can help you to solve your problem. That's number 1. Every weekend on Saturdays, you are meeting me in the live call, like the time that we have today, like 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. GMT. This will be the time for this batch, and we will be basically going through the summary call. We will not talk about anything new, nothing new. I will talk about whatever you have learned in those videos. I will go through it one more time with you. The expectation is very simple. The expectation is that you must come to the live class with the understanding of those videos, meaning you should have questions in your mind, and then you come to the live call with me, okay? So that you can clear your doubts with me. Otherwise, it will not really help. It will not really help you or me, because I will ask you questions. I will ask you questions in the class, and if you're not able to answer, it will prove that you have not given the time that was required. So please come to the class with the questions in mind. I will anyway go through all the topics, but you be prepared as well. Once we are done with the live call, I will ask the whole class if you are ready to learn new topics for the next week. If you are, only then I am going to enable another 3 videos to you. In the whole batch, we will collectively decide that whether this batch is capable enough to go to the next videos or not. I am not behind money. If I'm saying that it's a 4 months training, it doesn't mean that we have to finish it within 4 months. I'm happy that if it goes till 18 months, not 16 weeks, I can go to 18 weeks also, okay? I can give you extra classes, doesn't matter. But the main point is that I want you to learn this to the level where when you go in front of the interviewer, you should be able to answer them. You cannot show your blank face to them, okay? Because the interviewer is much smarter than you. It will take just 2 minutes for them to figure out whether you actually have the experience or you have just learned it from some Udemy courses or some YouTube videos and you're here for the interview. It'll take just 2 seconds for them to figure it out. So I don't want you to be in that situation. So you have to show that proactiveness, okay, of asking me questions and coming to the live class with questions, so on and so forth. And then again, I will open up the next 3 videos for the next week. This cycle will keep on running for next 16 weeks. I want to know whether every one of you, do you understand the strategy? Do you have any problem with that? Yes, no? Give me a shout, please.
Yes, we understand.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
understand.
Okay. Perfect. Perfect.
Yes,
All
I
right.
understand.
That's good.
Yes, it's
Awesome.
good. Mhm.
Perfect. Thank you. All right. So let's move on to the next things. Let's get you guys on board. I have already done that part. Onboarding meaning one thing, which is actually few things. My bad. I've created the account for you. You guys have created the account, except in Mirabel. I believe everybody else has created the account. Radhika, you have done it, I believe. Mirabel, she couldn't do it. I will help you to do that. But eventually you go and you basically land into wisdomqa.com. This is the platform that you will be visiting over and over and over again for this entire course. In this platform, when you come in, you need to, let me quickly, okay. Let me log out first. So this is the platform. You need to log in, as simple as that. When you log in, you reach out to the dashboard page. That's the dashboard page. There is nothing complicated here. In this dashboard page, when you go down, there is this section here. If you have to scroll down to this section called My Courses, under this My Courses section, you will have full stack test automation program where you can start the course or resume the course. You click on this course, you click on this button, it will take you inside the application. This is the application, guys. There is nothing complicated here again, few just sections. This course content is the button you need to click to access your week, like the weekly assignments and weekly classes. So you click on this. Right now you can see there are 16 weeks of content. Okay, 16 weeks of content. Every content is having around 3 videos. Every week there are 3 videos. Each video is around 1 to 1.5 hours. Okay. Now, if you log in to your system, you will not see 16 weeks of content. I have not enabled for you. I don't want you to get confused. I want to learn it step by step. The way I designed it is the best for you. So I want you to learn it in a particular order. So it gets started with week number 1. Every one of you should have the access to week number 1. Please ask me any questions. If you want to open up your own application, please do that. Please do that. Ask me question. If you're not able to see any video, ask me that, let me know, and then I will fix it for you. So you have to come to this section here in the menu. You can scroll down this menu with your mouse. Okay, simple stuff. And then there is week number 1. When you expand this, there are 4 videos. Only for week number 1, there are 4 videos. For all the other weeks, there are 3 videos only. And when you click on this video, you will see that that video will be loading here in the screen. All right, that's where you watch the video. You don't go anywhere else to watch the video. You watch it from the application itself. You can access this application in mobile phone as well, and you can watch it when you're traveling. But I would prefer if you watch it and you are, in your laptop and you're watching it and you're practicing it side by side, it'll be better. It'll be obviously better. So the point is that you come here, you just play it, a normal player, you play it, and then this video will start. All right. When you're watching the video, I'm talking about a specific strategy which has worked wonders for my previous students. And I want you to do that. What I want to do is this. I want you to watch the video side by side to your coding editor. So what do I mean by that is something like this. So what we will do is, so this is the Eclipse. Eclipse is the tool in which we can write the code, okay? In which we will write the code. So what we can do is you can just make your application or the video side by side to your, like this. You see that? I can make my video side by side to the code editor. The idea is simple. Whatever you watch me doing in the video, pause it, watch it for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Don't go beyond that. pause it, and then simply try to mimic me in the code base. As soon as you start writing the code, you will start building that confidence slowly. If you don't do that, what people have done earlier is they have watched the whole video and then they have tried to mimic me by doing whatever I did in the video. So eventually they spend like twice or thrice to do the same job. Don't do that. The idea is that you need to build your own knowledge base of code. There is a specific strategy I'm talking to you about. If you follow it, your life will be much easier. So the idea is you need to build your own knowledge base. Knowledge base how? Whatever you are seeing me coding in the video, okay, you try to implement that code in your system. Okay. And when you do that, you create a specific one project for it, like a project one. So you say week one, and week one is the project name, for example. And then inside that, you can create Java classes, and then you can just mimic whatever I did in that video. And then you create that project over there. Similarly, for each and every class, okay, or for each and every week, you create projects and you keep it in your workspace. I will also show you a way you can upload all this workspace or all this project into the cloud source. So there is something called as GitHub. I have spoken to you about that. Just a minute. Where can I show you? Here. So GitHub. GitHub is a cloud source platform where you basically store your source code. It is a version control system, ideally, right? I'll talk about that in details later on. But for now, I will also teach you how can you store this projects, whatever you will be building, how can you store them one by one into your own cloud. It's a free tool. You can go and upload n number of projects. Nobody will complain. And you can see that when you come in here, you can see that. So for example, I've created this project and you see view code, and then there are so many different stuff going on here. There's a source folder, there's a main folder, there's Java core, there are so many classes, so on and so forth. So basically, I'm saying this, that you are creating a knowledge base for you, okay? And also one more thing I encourage my students to do, whenever you are writing the code, okay, by mimicking me, in your code, write a comment. We call this a comment in programming, a simple comment, okay? This comment, I don't want you to write an essay or something like that, but just 2 or 3 lines to give you the understanding that what exactly you were trying to do. It is needed because in future, when you want to circle back to that same project, by looking at that comment, it will trigger your mind that, okay, this is what I was trying to do then. Because eventually, there are so many topics I will be teaching you, it will probably get into a stage that it will start feeling jumbled up. But if you start creating your knowledge base from day one, and if you just come back to that comment in future, you will be able to easily recognize that what you were doing that time. Write 1 or 2 lines. So writing a comment is very simple. For example, this is the code that you're writing right now. So all you will do is just go to the class and say, this is my code for something, right? And you write something that will make sense to you. So whatever I'm teaching you, I want you to interpret that in your language, the easiest understanding that you can figure out, and then write like 1-liner or 2-liner to it so that you can come back to it. This is what I was talking about in terms of knowledge base, a KB that will be there for you forever. Learning coding is not hard. Figuring it out, how to do it the right way, that's hard. And I'm there to help you. Yeah. So that's the knowledge base. I have executed this plan for so many people, and it has worked very well for them. So there is no point that it will not work for you. It will work. Just give it a try and then let me know. Okay. All right. So that is that. Let's move on to the other part of the application. Okay. So you will see the video here. You will see the video here. Okay. For each and every video, there is this Google Drive. Okay. When you click on this Google Drive, it will take you to this Google Drive link where you can see the PPT. Only for class 1, there is no assignments. But if I go to class 2, week 1, class 2, right? If I go to class 2, then you will see that there are assignments. You see, there are PPT, the PPT that I will be showing you up in the video. You will see that. And then you will have the assignment. When you click on this assignment, you will see some 10 assignments only for that particular video, which you have to complete, and you have to upload that into our Google Drive. I will give you a link after today's call. I will give you a link to the Google Drive where you need to upload all the assignment solutions. And I will also upload my solutions so that you can take a look, and then you can take it forward, from there. So that is the assignments part. Okay. On top of that, I have a few more things. If you scroll down to the page, just a minute. Okay. If you scroll down to the page and then just click on this assessment button. Okay. There was earlier something that was exercise. I saw that people are not really using it, but this assessment is really, really helpful. So it is a quiz program. In this quiz, whatever you have learned in the video, I want you to scroll down and switch on this assessment and try to complete this questionnaire. Okay. Each and every video will have around 10, 12, sometimes 20 questions, which you need to just quickly go through and just say true, false, or there are some list items. So just select the right value, something like that. This section is purely for your own understanding to kind of understand that where do you stand with that topic, whatever I have spoken about in that video, where do you stand with that? So just go through that quiz after you finish the assignments, and then you will be able to see a score when you submit the name and email address and click on done. It'll show your score, and that's how you would use this quiz panel. And that's pretty much about it. That's pretty much about it in terms of the video, the assignments, and the materials, and the weekly release of the videos that I'll do. That's pretty much about it that you will be encountering in terms of how the videos are, how should you watch the videos. Okay, that is that. What else I want to show you is I want to get you on board. Can you guys please tell me, except Mirabel, do we have anybody else who is not able to access this page, who is not able to open up this menu? Can you please try to run through and give me a shout? I'm giving you 5 minutes. I'll take a quick break, and please try it in your end and then let me know. Okay, just give me 5 minutes. Thank you. Let me resume that. Okay. Maggie, you're not able to log in. Why you're not able to log in?
It shows my email ID is not available in the system. So when I try to create a new one, for the password, it is showing me the error.
Okay. Did you create the account earlier?
Yeah, I did. I did even get an email from the website.
Just give me 1 second. Let me quickly take a look. All right.
Yeah.
Just give me 1 moment. Radhika, you will see only week number 1, as I said. The drive is being navigated. If you go to week number 1, second class video. For second class video, you should be able to, no, even class 1, you should be able to navigate. The introduction class, there is no video there. There is no drive attached to it, I believe. So just test that, okay? Let's see, contacts. Maggie, I see that somehow you didn't accept the invite. I mean, the email address with which you have registered, you should have activated the account, you know. I think it was not done, but let me actually do that on behalf of you. Hold on. I can actually activate your account as well.
I'm also having the same problem over here.
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, that's totally fine, Augustine. I'm just gonna first take care of her and then I'll come to you.
All right.
Okay, Maggie, can you try to log in one more time?
Yeah.
With the same email address, please. If you remember the password.
I don't, so I'm going to change the password.
Yes, please.
I know that what is the required format for the password?
It should be something like, I'll show you what I mean. Just a minute. So it will be something like in this format, like a blue boat, some number 3, 4, and some special character, maybe exclamation, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you able to access it?
Yeah, it just logged in.
Perfect. Very good. So your problem is sorted. When you go inside the application,
I can see the start course.
yeah, please do that.
Yeah, I did it. I'm accessing the course contents.
Yes.
Yeah, I can see the big one.
Very good. So you are sorted, right? That's good. Okay, so let's move on to Tolu. Tolu, it's your problem now. Let me solve it for you. What's happening?
I know I remember the I did registered.
Yes.
Yeah, it's just that I've received so many emails. I'm trying to
When you're trying to log in, is it saying?
I'm not even got. I'm not. I'm just trying to get the email. The message I received, but it seems I don't know.
Are you not able to log in right now? Are you not able to log in?
No.
Okay.
If you can send me another, probably send me another. What will I say?
Okay. Okay. What is the error message you are getting when you're trying to log in?
Not even logging in now. I'm trying, I received the message of acceptance, right?
Yeah.
It's just should I say the link or something? If you can send it to me again. Yeah.
My problem is that, 1 minute, where are you here? Okay, I see it is already accepted by you.
Yeah.
Can you try to just do a reset of your password, forgot password from your side? The email is a Gmail account, right? Essica,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you just try to do a forget password on that, please. And you should be fine because I see that it is already enabled for you. Okay. Mirabel, can you tell me what's the problem you're having when you're trying to create the account?
I got I don't remember, but it was an error message. I couldn't.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Just use the password, something like this, right? Give all the information and just create the password, something like this. Capital letter and then numbers and then exclamation or some special characters.
Okay. Can you kindly paste again the link here? Let me.
Yeah, I'm showing you in the screen. Can you see that?
Why am I not seeing?
My bad. Can you see now?
Please.
Yes.
I think I also, let me see. Okay, what did I do here now? There's something wrong. All right, okay, let me see the link. Did you just paste the link again?
No, I didn't. I'm just asking you to do a forget password.
No, just paste me the link again,
chat,
please.
In the chat, right? In the link.
Yeah, let me have the link again, please, on the chat.
Which link you're talking about? Sorry.
No, to go into the
register.
Shall I say the register? Yeah.
The wisdomqa.com. Wisdomqa.com is the site.
Wisdomqa.com.
Just a minute, I'll send you that. Hold on. Okay, I'm sending you that. It is not to everyone. So here, I'm sending that to you. Click on that, which will take you to this page. From here, you can, Mirabel, you can just click on join for free button. And this will have this form. You need to fill up this form. Tolu, just you have to do this. You come in here in the login screen, do a forget password. That's all you have to do.
All right, the login screen. All right, that's fine.
Click on that login. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Forget password. And then you enter your email address, that Essica email address.
Yeah.
And then you can reset your password.
All right.
Okay, very good. Mirabel, are you able to do it now? Ren, do you have any problem with the access to the application? I know you have a sore throat. Can you just give me a chat? You're good. Perfect. Robert, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Able to access everything.
Very good. Sahid?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Yuri, are you good?
Yo, seems my network is giving me problem. It's telling me page not found.
Which page not found?
Okay, so I got it now. I think it was my network before.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yuri, are you able to access everything? Okay, you're good. Very good. Okay, so everybody is sorted except Mirabel and Tolu. Mirabel, what's the situation?
It keeps giving me. Let me
So
see that.
It's still giving you the error?
Yeah, it says unable to handle the request. Contact the site administrator.
1 minute, you're doing something wrong. Everybody has registered, so there must be some problem either with the network or something like that. Let me make you a co-host, and can you share me your screen, please? In the Zoom itself, there is at the bottom there is a screen sharing option. Can you click on screen share, please?
1 moment.
In the Zoom, you have screen share. I can see your screen.
Okay.
And click on sign up, please. Okay, I'm not on robot. Click on that. Okay, and click on sign up one more time. Okay, can you change the password to exactly what I was saying you earlier? I think it's too big or something like that, which is why it's not. It's a password problem.
Okay.
It's again too small.
Let me see.
Load system resource.
No, it's too small.
It's too small?
Yeah, it's too small. Okay, it's go on, just see what happens. Okay, wait a minute. Let me do this for you. I'll give you that password in a minute. Can you give me the control, please? Okay, I'm just setting up your password.
Yeah.
Just a second. What is this happening? Why it is circling for you? And your page is not responding. I don't know, maybe you have too much of things that are opened.
Maybe.
Okay, can I close? You're in
Let
Opera.
me use, yeah. Am I using Opera?
Yeah, you're using Opera.
Okay, let me, okay. Let me go to, I thought I'm using Edge or something.
Is it Edge?
Yes.
No, it is Edge. Okay, yeah, it is Edge. But I think either your network is a problem or something is a problem. It just keeps on resolving. Hold on.
Okay. Maybe
can I close other tabs?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try again.
Okay.
Okay, can you fill in the stuff, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
I live there. I'm in Berlin, but it says Malmo. It's okay. So
yeah, good. 1 minute. Let me get the password right. Please provide. Yeah, I'll put the password just right. Let's try. Wow.
wow.
What's happening?
I don't know.
You're in Germany, yeah?
Yes.
This is really
Yeah,
not
it's
good.
really strange. Maybe.
No, I guess the mobile number is going wrong.
Yeah, that is also a possibility.
Okay.
Just say 46. Okay,
Mm.
let's see that.
That was right. Huh?
No, something is wrong.
I think it's probably the browser issue. You can try Internet Explorer or something else. Probably.
I don't know. This is crazy.
In the Explorer?
I'll go to Firefox maybe.
Or Firefox.
Yeah, I'll try that. And I see that there is one thing is happening. All the information is being fetched by some cache that you have already created. It could be a possibility that that storage that you already have, it is pushing some extra data which we are not able to see, and maybe that's the reason. Okay. Okay. Can you manually fill this form, please, instead of choosing it from the storage? Yeah.
Yeah. I'll take my Gmail or email.
Gmail, please. Yeah, Gmail.
Okay, maybe
I'll give the password. I'll give the password.
Okay.
Okay. Try now. The phone number.
Should it be a WhatsApp number or?
Yeah, WhatsApp number is preferable. Sometimes get in touch with the student in WhatsApp.
Okay. Anyway, I can change that later. It goes with a code. Right?
Just a Berlin. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay. No, something is really wrong. Do me a favor. Send me your email address. Just send me this email address. Let me create it from my side, and then I'll give it to you in 2 minutes. Okay. I don't know what's happening, but it's crazy. Let me share my screen now. Okay. Just ping me your email address in the Zoom chat, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I got it. I'll just give. Okay, can you bring the phone number in the chat?
Yes. 6.
Okay, good. Germany. Wow. What's going on?
Could it be the location because my number is Swedish?
I don't think so. Why? It's really not. Is it that none of okay? Radhika created yesterday the account. It worked out for her. Why it is not working for you? Just a minute. Let me check something. Do I have you anyways? Here. I mean the email address.
I got the same problem when I am creating the account with the phone number. Yeah.
With the phone number?
And what do you do with the phone number?
Okay, maybe let me give the German number.
I'll just give just 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see, because this is not acceptable. This should not be the case. No. It's not giving me the right error also. Okay, Mirabel, I'll try to figure this out for you. Let me handle the class, and then I will try to figure this out for you. I will let others go, and then I'll figure this for you, okay? So just give me 1 minute. Okay. So I think I showed you how to work with this application, and now I want you to go inside the application and start watching the week 1 video, week 1 first class, second class, so on and so forth. So basically, you get started with week 1. There are 4 classes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What is Java? Difference between JDK, JRE, JVM? You learned this here. Then setting up your Eclipse, working with variables, data types, and operators. Learn more on operators, work with arrays and understanding loops, and work with all type of loops, var args, introduction to Java class and objects. That's all we have for week number 1. Okay. Some of you guys who are having experience with coding or a little bit of coding knowledge, it may be a little bit of repetitive for you, but believe me, I want to start at the very basic level so that everybody in the entire session can get benefited out of it. Otherwise it will not work. So I believe everybody will be able to learn from each other's mistake and progress. So if you already know these topics, then please be patient. And then if you already know this topic, then you can straight away jump to the assignments and try to complete the assignments. Okay. So today, what I want to do is I want you to set up your system. In the system, we need 2 things. We need Java programming language, and we need Eclipse. Eclipse is a coding editor, right? So to install Java, I want to do this installation in any one system who is not having Java installed. Do we have anybody here who is not having Java installed?
Sorry, Joanna here. I have version 8. Is that, I don't know what.
Version 11 is something that I'm looking for minimum.
Okay, so I will have to
uninstall. You have to uninstall Java 8 and then get the Java 11 installed.
Okay, so I think I installed Java 18.
18 is not going to work out because Jenkins that I'm going to teach you later, it is not going to work beyond Java 11.
Okay, so which version should I?
Java 11 JDK. Let me actually show this to you from where you can download it. Actually, I want to show this to you in one of your system. Can we just can you just tell me who is ready to share the system?
I can if you want.
Maggie,
Yeah.
just give me 1 second. I can give you the permission. Co-host. And yes, you can share the screen now.
Can you see my screen now?
It's coming up. Yes, I can see your screen now. Please go to, please open up your browser. Okay, you already have Java, it looks like. Can you open up command prompt, please? CMD from Windows. Okay, and say Java space minus version. Java space minus version. Double dash, please. Yeah, enter. You have 14. Okay, I need 11. Totally fine, no problem at all. Can you just go to control panel and uninstall Java, please? Yeah. Uninstall a program below here. Click on that. Search for Java. At the top, you have search, top right corner.
Okay.
You have it.
Yeah.
Right click on it and just uninstall. Good. Okay. Let's go to the browser in the meantime.
Yeah.
And try to download Java 11, Java 11 JDK. 11 JDK. Enter. Yeah, go there. And you have the first link. Open that. Okay, you have Java 11. Accept all. Go down. And go down, and you're looking for 64 version, Windows 64. Here you have the bin exe, second last, go up.
This one?
Yeah, click on that. So just say download. Okay. In the meantime, just check if you have uninstalled JDK. Do you have an Oracle account?
No, I don't.
Then how do you download Java 14 there?
I'm not sure. This is not my system actually, so.
Okay.
Like.
Can you create an Oracle account, please? No, you can find that from the control panel itself, whether Java is gone or not.
Okay, but it still shows here, so.
Yeah, just see. Yeah, still. I think it's still just trying.
But I downloaded Java 18 without the Oracle account.
Maybe from US you are able to.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Can you just see if Java is there now? No, it's not there. It's there. Right click and uninstall. Oh, it's being changed. It's coming up. It's getting uninstalled. It's taking some time. That's fine. That's fine. So can you, in the meantime, create an Oracle account in the browser?
So it should be the new account I have to create, isn't it?
Yes, that is correct. Just create a new account. Go down, create account.
So Java SE 11, right?
Yes. Can you go to the Gmail account and verify?
I have not got it. I got a message saying that your account.
Do you see a verify button there?
I don't. Hold on a sec. I can just open the email. Request a new email, reset, update your account.
Request a new verification email. Click on that. Yeah. Okay, now check.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So there is two version, Java SE Development Kit 11.0.13 and other one is 12.
Go for the latest one. 13 is fine.
13, right?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, can you just go? You have already created the account now. Just try to search for, go back to the same previous link where you were having that Java installation. Just search for again Java 11 install, Java 11 download. Yeah, here. Go down second last link. Okay, now just download it. Yeah, okay, now you enter your sign in.
Invalid.
Okay, no.
No, it's not.
So my account has been created and also download.
Okay, very good. Just one minute, let me show in here if she can. What happened, Maggie?
I don't know. I have accepted also. For some reason, it's showing it.
Maybe the password is not
See
correct.
your caps lock or something like that.
No, actually, I've saved the password when I created the account. So
no, it is not letting you log in. Maybe you have missing out one or two characters. Somehow. Yeah. Okay, let me then go to Sahid and install it for him. And then in the meantime, you please reset your password, okay? Maggie?
Okay.
Sahid, yeah. I'm making you co-host. Can you share your screen?
Okay. Okay, so did you see? No, not this one. Oh, did you see my screen?
Yeah, I see your screen. Yeah, can you just?
Okay, so it's already downloaded. Should I click on it?
Yeah. Please do that. You have uninstalled the old version, right?
I already uninstalled.
Very good. You just before you install it, do in the command prompt, just do a Java space minus version, CMD, CMD. Yeah, and then hit Java space minus version. Yeah, version here. Enter. Okay, good. It's gone. Very good. And now uninstall it. Install it now. Yeah. Open.
Next, right?
Yeah. Just normal installation. There is no complications here. So guys, whoever didn't do it or whoever is having older version of Java, uninstall that. Install
And
it
then,
like this.
and then
click
on close, correct?
Yes, click on close. Now open up your environment just in that search bar, search button at the bottom of your screen. Click on that. There is a magnifying glass. Click on that at the bottom of your screen. Yeah. Okay. And then just search for env.
Or environment, right?
Environment. Click on the first link. Yes. And when you do that, you will see that environment variables. Click on that environment variables at the bottom of the window. Yes. And then here under the system variables at the bottom, you can remove it from the user variables. You see Java home, you can remove that.
Which one?
The first one is selected already, right?
Okay,
you can delete that.
Okay.
And now go to the system variables at the bottom screen here and say new. Click on new and say Java underscore home. Everybody has to do this. All capital letter, please, all of them. Everybody has to do this, guys.
Java underscore home, right?
Yes. And then in the value, you have to say where your Java is installed. So can you just look for the location? Open up your Windows Explorer. Yeah, click on that folder. Very good. Okay. And then go to the C drive. Yeah, this
is. So I have a D drive and C drive.
No, C drive. Go to program files. Do you see Java? Yeah, Java. Open that. Open that. Okay, this is the location. Just copy this location. No, not there.
Okay.
Just copy that location. Yes, very good. Copy that location. And yes, paste it here. Very good. Click on OK. And go to the path variable. There's a path variable. Open that. Double click on that. There's a path variable. Same section. Yeah, that one.
New?
Edit. No, edit. Click on edit. Okay, now at the very end, click on new now. New at the window. Go to the top here.
Right.
And yeah, click on that. And say percentile. A percentile sign. Percentile.
Yeah, 1 second.
Yeah, and say Java, all capital Java underscore home. Percentile. Home percentile. Backslash, not the front slash, backslash.
Okay, 1 second. Let me find my backslash. Okay. Oh no.
Yeah, and say bin.
Small, right?
Yeah, all small bin. Just give me 1 second, guys. And then you have one more entry just above that. C program files Java JDK bin. You remove that, please. No, not there. Go down. Second last. Yeah.
Yes, 100.
Yeah, remove that. Select it and remove. Delete. Yeah. Good. Click on OK. That's how it should be done.
So this one also.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And okay
right?
again. Yeah. And go to the command prompt now. And run the same command, Java space minus version. Java space minus version.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, enter. And you have Java 11. That is how everybody should do it. Okay. This is the first thing that you need to do. The next thing that you need to do is you need to install the Eclipse. Before I install the Eclipse, I want you to give me a confirmation that you have installed Java 11, every one of you. Can you give me a confirmation? I don't want any confusion later on. Can you give me a confirmation that you have installed Java 11?
Hi, Civic, Joanna here. Yes, I removed the version 8 and I have 11 now.
Very good. Okay. What about Robert?
I haven't installed it yet.
You have it there?
No, I haven't. I have not installed it yet.
Can you do it now, please?
Yeah. Okay.
At the end of today's class, I want you guys to at least have that so that, when you start your class from tomorrow, when you start watching the classes from tomorrow, you have everything ready and you're not just wandering around. I don't want that.
Okay, so I have one question. Regarding the video, so this is the previous recording sessions video, or you?
That is right. It is a previous recording session video. It is trimmed. It has taken out all the unwanted stuff, and we have given you only the gist that is needed. So I want you to watch that. It's a video based on theory followed by practicals. Whenever there is a practical section, I want you to do it side by side to the video. You watch the video and do my practicals, okay? And then you complete the assignments, or you try to complete the assignments at least.
I'm downloading Java 11 SE.
Okay, version 13. I think there's a is ending with 13, I believe. What about yeah? Please download that. What about Mutable? What about you? Are you able to do it? Mutable, are you able to do it? You're mute.
Yeah, I want to do that. I'm doing that now.
Is it done?
No, I'm doing that now. That's Java 11.
Yeah, Java 11, and you have to set the environment variables. Java 11 and set the environment variables so that Java is globally available in the entire system. When you install the Java 11, it is just installed in your C drive, but you need to install it globally. Yes, Maggie, I can help you. What is the problem?
I have downloaded it and I exactly don't know how to. I mean, I just got a little confused by adding the variables.
No problem at all. Can you show me your screen?
Okay, so should I stop sharing?
Yes, I will do that for you. No problem at all.
Okay.
Maggie, you can share the screen now.
Cool. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see this. Open up the environment variables section.
Yeah.
Yes. And click on the Java home. Yeah, you have it there.
Yeah.
Click on the path variable now.
This one?
Not there. At the same section, system variables. There's click on that and new. And here you say percentile.
Java percentile /bin.
That is correct.
And that's it?
Yeah, that's it. Click on OK. Click on OK again. OK again. And you're done. Can you open up your command prompt and just check? Open a new command prompt, not the old one. New command prompt.
Got it.
Got it there? Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, let's move on to someone else who is struggling. Tolu, do you have Java installed in your system? I need Java 11 for you to be installed. Everybody is installing it? Tolu, can you hear me? I see you're on mute. Can you hear me? Augustine, can you hear me? Not sure why he's not answering. Hello, are you there? Maybe he's having some problem with the system. I don't know. What about Radhika? Radhika, what about you? Are you done with 11?
Yeah, but I have a problem with the second step of installation.
No problem. Let me show me your screen and then I'll do it for you.
Yeah.
You have the access to share your screen now. Okay. In the IC Java home, in the system variable section, that's good. There is a path variable you see at the bottom. Double click on that. And yeah, here just say /bin. Click on edit. Yeah, bin, bin, all lowercase. No. You just lost that. Write it again. %Java_home %/bin, lowercase. Click on OK. Okay. And go to the command prompt, new command prompt. You can close this command prompt, with a new one. And then just say Java space -- version. Enter, and you have it. Okay. All right, all good. That's good. Ren, I'm not hearing from you. I know you have a problem with your throat, but can you confirm that you have installed Java 11? Just give me a shout. Should be okay now. Okay, that's good. You're okay, right? I mean, you have Java 11 there, right? Ren, is it yes or no? Java 11. Okay, very good. Yuri, what about you? Do you have it installed? Yes, no? Java 11. Perfect. You have it there. Good. Rob, what about you?
It's just do the variable part.
Okay. Are you struggling or?
Yeah, it's not showing up in the environment variables.
That's fine. I'll help you. Just a minute. So Tolu, I'm gonna make you a co-host. So I did. Can you share me your screen?
Yeah.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Robert, can you show me your screen?
Yeah, I'm trying to. Right. It says
okay.
Disable.
Yeah, I'll do it again. Sorry. You can do it now.
Yeah. Okay. I should see my screen now, right?
Yeah, I'm not yet seeing it, but if you share it, it should come up.
Yeah, you should see my screen now, right?
It's coming up. Yeah, I can see it now.
Okay.
Can you just open up your environment variables? Yeah, click on that. Environment variables button, yes. Go to the system variable section and here click on new. Click on new. Write all capital Java_home. And then variable, you have to pass in the location where your Java is located. So open your Explorer and just go to your program files, Java, go inside this folder and take that path. No, the last guy here. Yeah, it's okay. Paste it. Very good. Click on OK. Go to the path variable. There's a path variable, same section.
Okay.
Open that up.
Open this up.
Click on edit. Yeah, click on edit.
Okay.
And then say new again. %Java_home %.
All capital.
All capital. Home
Okay.
%/bin. /bin.
Backslash, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And say okay. And say okay again. It's there. It's right there. There's no problem at all. Okay again. Click on okay again. And just open up your command prompt, a new command prompt. And then just try to say Java space -- version. And you have 11. Okay.
Okay.
So I think I solved it for everyone except Mirabel. Can you just confirm me? And Tolu, for you both, I think I have to solve this problem. Tolu, you can share me your screen and probably install Java 11. You have the permission to share your screen, Tolu. You're mute, please. Can you unmute? I'm not sure, maybe some internet issue. What about Mirabel? What about you? Are you able to do it?
No, I think let me share my screen.
Yes, you can share me your screen.
Give me the right shift to install that. The internet is crazy.
Okay. Second last link. Click on that. Yes.
I think.
Yeah, it's downloading. Just give us like.
Okay, the first one is still downloading.
Okay, you remove the second one that is getting downloaded so that first one can download faster. The second one that is not that one, not that one, not that one.
No.
Not that one.
Okay, this one.
Yeah, this one.
This
Remove
one, right?
that. Yeah, just stop that. Stop that. Yeah, stop that. Not pause. Stop it. Yeah, cancel it. Yeah, cancel it.
Yeah.
Yeah, let this download. It'll take 2 minutes. It says.
Right now?
What about Tolu, what about you?
I won't lie. I just came in now. I've been having problem with my laptop, so I guess you guys have gone very far. So I really do not.
Not very far.
Not far.
I'm just trying to install Java in your system.
My system.
Yeah, can you just go to the Java? Can you Google and search for Java 11 install or download?
Okay, Java 11.
Yeah, Java 11 download. Yes.
Okay, that Java 11 download. I click on it now.
Yeah, you should be coming to a similar page like the one that you see in the screen.
All right. Okay. I see Java downloads Oracle. Is that one?
Can you see this one? Windows x64 installer, second last link. Do you see 139? Yeah. Java 11. Yeah, Java 11.013.
I used to be sick like this.
Okay.
Okay, can you click on open file? Yeah. It's a normal installation process, just next, and you're done.
Yeah. The internet is crazy, so slow.
I see Java 11.014.
013, yeah?
014.
014. Is it for Windows or for Mac?
Windows.
No, it should be 013 because I don't see any 014 here in this page. Click on next.
Okay, I should go to next.
No, I'm actually trying to talk to Mirabel also. Just give me a minute here.
All right.
Okay, I think it's installed. Just open up in your in the search box. Just type env at the bottom. Hit enter.
ENV.
Yeah. Yeah, click on that first one. Okay, click on environment variables. Yeah. Go to system variable section. There is Java home already. Can you click on that? Can you double click on that? There are multiple Java homes. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, Java home.
Can you remove that? Can you remove that? On the top section, there is a Java home. Can you remove that?
This one, right?
Yeah, remove that, please. Delete. Click on delete.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that is gone. Now here you at the bottom Java home. Open that. Double click on that, please. At the bottom.
On the second one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Double click on that. Okay, make that variable name all capital. Java underscore home, all capital.
Okay.
And the path is the one you have to find out. Go to the Windows Explorer and see the path of Java that is downloaded right now.
Okay, do I browse directory?
You can do that. Go to the directory. This PC, open up. Then you have Java C drive. Go to C drive, yeah. Program files. The first one.
The first one. Okay.
Yeah.
No.
No, the program files. Go to program files.
What is it then? Okay.
Go down. Yeah, here. Open that. Under that, you find Java. Yeah, no, it was up. It was up.
Yes.
Yeah, here. Open that. And click on the second one, JDK 11. Click on OK. Good. Click on OK again. Now go to the path variable in the same section. There is a path variable at the bottom. Do you see? Here, the path variable.
This way?
Not there, not there. The same section, system variable section.
Okay, yeah. Okay, this way.
Not there, system variables section, you see?
This is environment variable.
1 minute, hold on. Give me the control, please.
Okay.
I'm talking about this section. Do you see this path variable? Why can't I control your system? Your internet is very slow.
Yeah, it's so really bad.
I see you're in airplane mode.
No, let's see.
Your system is very slow. Do you see that system variable section? I can see the system variable section.
Yeah,
click on the path variable there.
Okay, yeah. Do you see my cursor?
No, I don't see it. I'm not sure.
Okay, so I have variable.
Can you just show me your screen again? For others,
so this is path. This one.
Yeah, that one. Open that up. Edit, not new. Edit. Yes. Okay. Now click on new. And then write percentile Java underscore home percentile /bin /bin.
Sorry, I should write what?
Percentile, the percentage symbol. Percentage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just a symbol.
Yeah. Java underscore home.
Caps.
All caps. Percentage. /bin /bin /.
Oh. Is that not a backslash? Oops. Let's see. No, wait, this.
Backslash is the same one which you have the pipe sign.
Yeah, I have it here, but not this one.
Not this one, the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one.
Back,
BIN.
backslash.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then BIN. Okay, click on OK. OK again. Now open up your command prompt and then just say Java_home. Sorry, just Java space minus version.
Java space. Java space dash version.
Yeah. And you have 11 there. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So that is done. Tolu, do you want to see? Have you followed the steps, or you're still not able to figure this out?
Let me stop sharing.
Yeah, you can stop sharing. Tolu, can you please come online?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you show me your screen?
Okay.
I don't see your screen. There is a screen share option in your, you should be able to see. Tolu, can you see me? I mean, show your screen, please. I don't know, maybe he's having terrible internet issues. I don't know. Okay, let me share my screen now. The next thing that we need is Eclipse. It's a code editor, Eclipse. You just say Eclipse here and then say eclipse.org. You open this up. And then you can just say download. And here you see Eclipse ID 2022-03. Click on this download. That's all. That's all. Okay. This should start downloading it. When you click on this download,
Hello.
it should start downloading it. Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
Oh,
Your internet is not good at all, Tolu, for some reason. Your voice is breaking up and a lot of background noise. I can't hear you at all. Hello.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you,
Can you
but
hear me?
yeah, I can hear you now, but it is breaking up for me. Can you share me a screen?
Try to show the screen by simply.
Yeah, because I think your internet is very slow.
Hello.
I can hear you, but I can't see your screen.
Can you see it now?
No, I can't see it. You have to share it.
You haven't clicked share. Oh, okay.
You need to share your screen, Tolu.
Which one? Screen do you want to share?
There's a share button at the bottom of the screen.
You need to start.
Can you share it? There's a share button at the bottom of the screen.
Are they using Zoom?
Yeah, it is coming up now. Hold on. It's coming up, but it's kind of.
Hello.
Yeah, it is coming up, but it's very slow.
I need a new laptop. This laptop is too small to carry.
It's not about the laptop. I think your internet connection is slow. Either you get a LAN.
Restart the laptop. I don't know why the laptop is doing like this. I'm going to restart it now.
Okay, you restart it and that's fine. I will talk to you later about it. Okay. Let me share my screen then.
But it's too small.
Just a minute. Okay, so let me share my screen. I think you guys can see my screen. What I want is I want you to go to Eclipse and then just download the Eclipse. After you download the Eclipse, you can install it. Very simple installation, nothing complicated there. Once you are done with the installation,
we didn't see your screen.
You can't see my screen?
No.
Okay, let me share again.
It's because Tolu's still screening his screen.
Yeah, still we can see the Tolu's screen now.
Can you see my screen now?
No.
No, I can't.
No.
No.
What is happening? I see. Okay. Yeah, something happened with Tolu's system and it's just locked me out.
Yeah.
1 minute. Just a minute.
Okay, now you can.
Let me share now. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, you can see.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying is that you just come to the Eclipse and download the Eclipse. Eclipse download and installation is very simple. Next, and you are done. Once you are done with the installation of Eclipse, you can see a system or an editor like this. This is where we will be doing our coding. Okay, so right now you can see that there is a panel, there is some project. So let me actually create a new workspace. So I'll just exit from Eclipse and then I'll open up my Eclipse like this. When I open my Eclipse, it will ask me to choose a workspace. Like you see, select a directory as a workspace. So I'm just going to create a new directory for me saying April 2022.
Do we pick the Eclipse ID?
ID for Java developers, if you see that.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yeah, and then if you just click on launch, this will create a workspace for you, okay, in which we can store all our projects. But remember, by any chance, if you are deleting that workspace, all your project will also be deleted along with it. So what we will have to learn is how can we upload all the projects to the GitHub. We will learn that, okay? But for now, let me just try to say launch. When I launch it, like this is the workspace I'm creating right now. You should see a screen. You should see a screen. 1 minute, it's starting up. Okay, like this, which is basically the welcome screen for Eclipse. You can just take it down. And then you have on the left-hand side, you have a white panel where you can create projects. On the right-hand side, you can see what you're writing. Okay. Now, along with these two panels, there are a few more panels added to this workspace or to this particular layout, which we don't need. For example, outline, I don't need that. I can take it down. I don't need problems. I don't need Java doc. I don't need declarations. I'm just taking them down. All I have is a clean workspace. On the left-hand side, I'm going to create projects and I'm going to create the code attached to it. Now, how to write the projects, how to write the code, everything is discussed in detail on those videos. Week 1, there are 4 videos. If you look at this video over here, week 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 videos which we have to, which you have to watch, right? When you click on any of the video, for example, it says second video talks about setting up Eclipse.
I don't have camera.
Setting up Eclipse, right? The second video talks about setting up Eclipse. Third video talks about arrays, operators, loops. Fourth video talk about var args, Java class and objects, a little bit. Okay, so I want you to watch these videos, try to complete the assignments attached to it, and then we are meeting next week, same time, 4 p.m. GMT, same time. It is always a Zoom link. It is never a Google Meetup link, a Zoom link, and we are meeting up here next week in the same class. There is one more thing I want you guys to follow, which is don't use the Zoom like from the browser. Download the Zoom application in your laptop. You see, Zoom Windows app, right? Zoom Windows app. So you see download center, go to Zoom, and you see this download client for meeting, download plugin for Microsoft Outlook. We just said download client for meetings. Download this. You have 32-bit, 64-bit. Download this. There's going to be an application in your system. By doing that, you will have much less, internet connectivity issue. Will be much less. So I want you to watch them. Okay, I want you to basically download it from here and then install it. And then when you click on the link that you see in the Google Calendar, you will be redirected to the application. And from there, you can take up the call. That's how it happens. So just follow these few things. I believe next week also, you might have some confusion, doubt about how the class will run. And next week, when we start talking about the actual technical discussion, all your questions will be handled. In the meantime, when you have questions, I want you to ask me the question in our Slack channel. That's our Slack channel over here for April 2022. That's Slack channel. I've sent the invitation to all people here. Some of them have accepted. Some of them you didn't yet accept it. Please accept it.
That for the Slack, you mean? I didn't.
Yeah. You didn't get the link. No problem. I'll send it to you right now.
Me too. I didn't get yet.
Okay. Don't worry. I'll do that right now.
So where should I check the Slack channel? In your website or? No.
I'll send the link. You can do it from the website also, but okay. You will basically get an email. Okay.
Okay. And one more thing. So Eclipse, should we install Eclipse IDE for Java developer or Java with web developer?
Java developer.
Okay.
Eclipse with Java developer. I've sent it to you, Mirabel. So take that.
Thank you.
And Sahid, I'm sure I have sent it to you. I can see this. Sahid NYC 2021. I'm sure you have the email somewhere which you have missed out. Can you check? Please?
Yeah, probably. Okay, if you don't mind, can you send one more time? So
just a minute. I have to just okay, I have to remove and then do it probably. I think so. Invited members, invited member. How do I... Okay, here you go. And I'll just send it again. I don't know whether it will go or not, but no, it will not go because it's already there. Let me remove it and I'll invite you again. Unable to send. Why?
Let me check.
So let me check. Which email did you send? Like from Wisdom or?
No, I sent it to your email address, right?
Yeah.
NYC 2021.
Correct.
And Yeah, I've sent it. I've sent it.
When did you send? So I can check through the day.
It was sent, I think, yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah. Just a search with Slack.
Oh, okay. SL.
ACK.
No.
See your spam folder.
Okay.
Yeah, I got the invite.
Did you get that, Mirabel?
Yes, I got.
Okay.
No.
You don't have it?
No.
Okay. Just let me do one thing then. One minute. Invite people. Let's try again. One existed. Remove duplicate. Okay. Copy invitation link. Okay, I'm just sending it to you in the Zoom chat. Can you just click on that link?
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, so it said, okay, see what, continue with Google.
Yeah.
Let me.
You have to choose the same email address that
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, say create account. Should I create account? Or?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you're there. I see it now.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay. So you are there, I think every one of you, I can see you guys. And this is going to be our chat tool. You ask me a question and I will reply you back in this channel itself. You can send me, so I'll show you some examples. For example, January. Okay, so you can see how people are asking me questions. They're sending me screenshots. Okay, they're sending me screenshots mostly and asking me questions. They're sending me code. You see, they've copy pasted the code and they're asking me to troubleshoot that. Right? I want you guys to do that. Start asking me questions in the Slack channel. A problem you have, any problem you have, don't just keep on struggling. Just ask me the question here. Keep a habit of adding it. And also, if other guy is having an answer, please try to help each other.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna get a recording of this later?
Yes, absolutely. This is a recorded call, and the recording will be visible in a YouTube channel. So I'll send you a YouTube link and you can watch it from there in the YouTube. Try to access it with the same Gmail account that you have given me. And
so you'll send the link in our email, right?
Yes, I will send the link. I will send. Okay, after today's class, I'm going to send a link with all the descriptions, like how to book a call with me, how to watch the YouTube videos, where to upload your assignments, everything.
Okay, so what I know it's a little bit advanced. So I mean, for Java, it's gonna be covered through the OOPS concept as well, right?
Everything that is without OOPS, we are not going anywhere.
Okay.
You can see that.
When I say Java, I'm just scared.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, I said with the name Java, my heart is just like pounding, like beating.
Don't worry. You will love Java. Don't worry. So you see, week number 1, we have few things. What is Java, blah, 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 all those things. Object classes and arrays and data types, variables, operators. Then you have week number 2, which is Java class, object methods, memory allocation. What is Selenium WebDriver? So here you see, I'm just giving a pause to Java and then starting with Selenium WebDriver. I'm keeping a balance between Selenium WebDriver, Selenium and Java. Okay. Then again here, conditional statements, which is Java. Okay. If else, switch case, access specifier, inheritance, constructors. Okay. Overriding, overloading, runtime polymorphism. These are all a part of Java. Okay. Yuri, you just said that you have the Java installed, right? You said Java 11 is already there in your system. Why are you getting this error? Yuri? Yuri, I see there is an error, but why are you getting that? You just said you already have it installed.
I think there is a typo in, should be version.
Yeah, it is version. Sorry, I didn't see that properly. You're
Yeah.
right. It's a version. VERSION, version.
Or is missing.
Can you try that, Yuri? It's a version, yeah? Try that. So that's how we will progress. We will keep a balance between Selenium and Java, and then we will cover it, all the concepts and that is required. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Perfect. So today I will let you guys go. Today it was a 2.5-hour session. There is no technical discussion today. It was just introduction and setting up your systems. And then from next week, it will be all technical questions. Yes, Yuri, your Java is set. I can see Java 11. That's totally fine. Okay.
Okay. Sorry. Question. So for the Eclipse, when it's downloaded,
just install it like a next. You will do it for any other application.
Okay, because I see it on the download folders, and I see.
When you open the download folder, do you see a exe file?
Yes.
Can you open that exe file?
Yes.
What happens?
I see a number of folders. Like,
no, when you open the exe file. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Show me your
yes.
Show me your screen if you want to.
Okay. That's my screen again. Okay.
And one request to everyone. Yeah, Eclipse exe. Not that one. Go up. Yeah, click on that.
Okay. And run.
Okay, wait. You see it's a zip file, right? Cancel this. Can you go one step up? Go back to the previous folder. Click on Eclipse on the top bar. There is a top bar, right? Eclipse Java. Click on downloads. Click on downloads.
So yeah. So yeah.
Yeah. Wait.
Okay.
Go back again.
So.
Okay. Right click on that. And extract all. Click on extract all. It's a zip, right? So it will have to extract it. Click on extract.
Okay.
Extract. Yeah. So once it is extracted, then you can just shift this folder to C drive or D drive, whichever drive you have. And from there, you can just click on that exe, which will launch your Eclipse.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. All right. So that is that. What else do I have? Okay. I don't have. Yeah. Go on. Sorry.
Sorry, Joanna again. You know, when do we need to create that workspace /April 2022 where we get our projects?
Yes.
Okay. Before launching, just
edit
April 2022.
Yeah, you can just give that name, whatever name you want.
Yeah. Okay.
And then just
perfect.
Right.
Okay.
Can I share my screen for a minute?
Sure. You already have the access. Just share it.
So I just downloaded it. Sorry, and this is the page now. So
click on launch here. Okay. This will launch the Eclipse ID for you.
Okay.
And yeah, you see there's a workspace. Just give a workspace name. After Eclipse workspace, click on /
Okay.
At the very end.
And then
/
this one, right?
Yeah, give a name. Selenium
April.
training. Yeah, whatever you want. Selenium training or whatever.
Or
Selenium training you can give if you want to. Selenium training.
Underscore?
Not underscore. Just give altogether like one word. Selenium training, one word. Yeah.
Okay.
Training. Click on launch.
How about this one now, right?
No, click on launch. And that's it, right? Now, if you minimize this window, the JDK window, in your desktop, you see Eclipse IDE for Java developer is there. Next
This one,
time you
right?
have to click on that to launch it. Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay, that's your workspace.
So now I have to click here, right?
Yeah, you have to remove that, and then you can just follow my
Okay,
videos.
okay, got it.
And then
Thank you.
it will show you how to progress from here. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
No problem. Okay, guys, I think that's pretty much that I wanted to cover up today, and I will get in touch with you next week. In the meantime, you to get in touch with me whenever you are having any problem, and I will, sit back and help you to solve that. Okay.
Okay. So did you about the account?
Yes, I will. I will let everybody else go, and then I'll work with you to create the account. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. You please stay on there. Okay.
Okay, so we can go, right?
Yeah, you guys can leave for today, but
Okay.
please be active in the Slack. Ask me questions.
Okay,
And
sure.
and guys, what you can do is you can actually install Slack in your mobile phone also. Okay.
Okay.
When you
Got
do
it.
that, and if I am sending some message, you guys will see that message, and then you can respond back from your mobile also.
The Slack is a apps. So
It's
you can
also
install.
it's also a Google Play Store app,
Okay.
or a mobile iOS app.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Thank you.
You
Okay.
just come in there so that when I'm sending some message, it will be popping up in your mobile.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thanks.
Thank you for
Bye.
joining. See you
Bye.
next week, same time.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.